Introducing Automist Smartscan Hydra. Effective fire suppression using 10 times less water. It was inspired when engineers visited the London Fire Brigade over 10 years ago.
It'd be quite interesting to be something that actually acted to suppress the fire. Something that we put into a dwelling retrospectively.
And from discussions with firefighters where they learned how water mist was commonly used to control dangerous fires. It is designed to run off a standard water main, so no need for a tank or a water mains upgrade. Using a small but powerful pump connected by a flexible hose, which is dry until use to up to 6 heads. This means installation is quick, limiting disruptive works in communal areas, and retrofit can be done on a flat-by-flat basis as part of a rolling retrofit program. Trusted by authorities having jurisdiction in the UK and US because tests have shown it can provide the required performance of traditional sprinklers. Effective whether the fire was near, far, partially obstructed or even concealed. When compared to traditional sprinklers, it can operate up to 2 minutes earlier, limiting exposure to toxic gases and heat. For more information, visit plumis.co.uk.